Hello everyone. I hope you all are enjoying your Sunday. So today we're gonna discuss a crucial topic, which is how to speak correctly without learning tenses. I hope you all were searching like how can we speak without learning tenses. So let me tell you, we will use tenses, we will use grammar, but we are not going to learn it. How? Okay, let me know one thing. We speak English, while speaking a few sentences, we never notice which tenses we are using. Like when we speak, I like you, I miss you, I understand you, I'm hungry, you're sad. These are part of present indefinite. But being unaware, we use it confidently, even we don't check it before we speak. Why? Because these are common sentences, these are quite common sentences, and we have observed people speaking around us so many times. That's why we are confident. We just go to the party and we say happy birthday and a lot of wishes we do. Why? Because we have heard so many times people speaking around us, so we are confident speaking it. So why don't we make every sentence common with our practice? And we should be confident because we have practiced a lot. So let's do it and enjoy it. Have your practice and speak confidently. So these are few patterns which will really help you a lot. So let's enjoy together. This is my first pattern, which really I love using, and very often I use it, like rather most often I use it. So this is our first pattern. Have you ever plus third form all the time, and in which situation we speak it? Let me tell you. When we ask about someone's whole life experience, whole life means past including present. Like, कभी आपने शेर देखा है? Have you ever seen lion? Have you ever seen a lion? आप कभी दिल्ली गए हो? Have you ever gone to Delhi? Have you ever gone to Delhi? आपने कभी किसी को डांटा है? Have you ever scolded someone? Have you ever scolded someone? आपने कभी octopus देखा है? Have you ever seen octopus? By the way, let me know if you have seen. I have never seen. Have you ever seen octopus? आपने कभी किसी का दिल तोड़ा है? Have you ever? Have you ever? Try to complete it. Try to complete it. Have you ever broken someone's heart? क्या आपने कभी किसी की help की है? Have you ever helped someone? Have you ever helped someone? So like this you have to speak. Make it very simple. Why are you taking it as a complicated? English is really interesting language. This thing I will make you realize. So have you ever broken someone's heart? Have you ever helped someone? Have you ever enjoyed any party without invitation? क्या आपने कभी भी कोई पार्टी बिना invitation के enjoy की है? Let me know please if you have done it. Have you ever enjoyed any party without invitation? Have you ever dated someone? Okay, this is your personal. I'm not going to ask you. Okay. Have you ever cooked Maggie? Have you ever cooked Maggie? Yeah, this is a very common sentence which we very often we ask a person. So, have you ever refused anyone's proposal? Have you ever refused anyone's proposal? Have you ever fulfilled someone's wish? Have you ever fulfilled someone's wish? क्या आपने कभी भी किसी की wish पूरी की है? If you have done it, please let me know. Have you ever made someone cry? Have you ever made someone cry? क्या आपने कभी किसी को रुलाया है? If you have done it, so please stop doing it. That's not good, huh? Okay, next one. Have you ever made someone laugh? Have you ever made someone laugh? So let me know if you have made someone laugh. That's a very good habit. I think we all should do it because laughter is a good medicine, as we know. Okay, so if you need more like this kind of pattern, and these patterns are really helping you, so I want to give you a lot of patterns like this which will make you really confident while speaking.